Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. This is me, Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'll be showing you, the steps which we must do in order to solve or rectify the storage full error in our Google Drive. So, guys, I have made already a few other videos for solving other Google Drive errors, such as waiting for Wi-Fi and network issues, those kind of Google Drive errors, and I have created a separate playlist for Google Drive errors, and I leave the playlist link in the description and the first comment, so you guys can just go and check it out. And guys, before moving on to the video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near to the subscribe button, and don't forget to, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up button below this video. So guys, let's not just waste any more time, and let's just move on to the video. I'll try to keep this video as short as possible so you guys can, you know rectify the errors. So guys, this part over here in our Google account, the storage part. Okay, so when the storage part reaches 15 GB, so actually every Gmail account created is given a 15 GB cloud storage. So if you reach a 15 GB cloud storage, you will be unable to receive any more mails or etc. So it's going to be a huge trouble for you guys. So what you must do is that you must always try to keep the storage below, I would recommend keeping a storage to about 8 GB, like in this image. So I'll help you guys rectify and to solve the storage full errors easily. So guys, first of all, we must open a drive. This is my drive in my Android device. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to click on the storage option over here. As you can see, this is my new account, so I'm having nothing stored in the cloud storage, no mails, nothing. So if you see you're using mails, you would have a few GB filled. So what you're going to do is that the number one option is that we're going to click on cleanup space. If we click on cleanup space, we'll be redirected to over here, the storage manager, and in the storage manager you'll be able to view items which is occupying your space, and you could also clean up by service, whether it's Gmail, Google Drive, or Google Photos. So I'll be showing you each one by one. I'm gonna leave the spam mails and emails with attachments. I'll show you in the later part of the video. First, let's go to large files. If you click on the review button over here, we'd be actually redirected to our drive over here, and in here we'll be shown the Google Drive files along with the size. Like as you can check over here, I have a file named TNPC books pdf.zip. It's actually 2.37 GB. So if you don't want it, we could just click over here and we could just remove it. So that is a way which we could easily clean our space. In my 7.76 GB, if I clear the 2 GB, I'm gonna free up a lot of space. So that is a way. And the next way is that we could clear our large photos and videos. If we click on review, we could just clear our large photos and videos. For example, this video is about 338 MB. If I just click this, and if I just click on the delete button, I'll be able to clear it. Okay, so guys, for emails with large attachment and spam emails, there's another easy way to clean up space. So for that, we must navigate to our Gmail over here. Okay, so in order to clean up our spam emails, we could just click here and we could just directly click on spam, and we could just I cleared my spam, and if you have any spam, you just clear the spam by that way. And then the another option for removing emails with now the spam emails problem has been rectified. Now the next step is that emails with large attachments. So in order to clear that, what we can do is that there is a simple search option in Gmail. Many of you folks don't know. Okay, so as you can see over here, has attachments. When you enter this and search, it'll be shown mails, all the mails which contain an attachment. So that is one way. And then the next step is that we could search for has attachments larger than the file size. For example, if the attachment is larger than 1 MB, it's gonna display over here. If it's if my attachment is gonna be larger than 5 MB, it's going to be displayed over here. So this is a way, we could easily sort out our emails with attachments directly in our Gmail app. And then the next step, what we could do is that, guys, we would actually clean up space by using, by services. So I have showed you by Gmail, and clearing large photos and videos. I would just, it's gonna redirect it to the Google Drive. So I will show that too. I mean Google Photos and etc. The large files is gonna redirect it to your Google Drive. Large photos and videos is going to redirect to your Google Photos. So what's more, another step which you can remember in order to stop space from filling up, without you doing anything, is that the by default, if you install Google Photos, there will be the backup option, it will be turned on. So what this does is that every photo you click in your camera will automatically be saved in the drive, so it's going to consume a lot of space. So guys, you can just turn it off and you can only backup the most important necessary photos which you want manually. So it's gonna take a bit of time, but it's gonna save you a lot of space. So remember these points in mind. So guys, I hope all these steps, if you're following all these steps, you'll be able to clean up your storage, and you'll be able to minimize the storage usage. So guys, if you're still unable to clear the storage, if you're still facing any more issues, you could just leave it in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you. So guys, thank you for watching this video until the end. Like I told before, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button. And if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to click on thumbs up button below this video. And once again, thanks for watching this video until then. Bye.